$100 bill, 75. Who gives 50 and go? Who gives $25? There's a will of appearance win. 25 bid, 35. 25, 30, 25, 30, and 5, and 40, and 40 divided. 35, 40, 40, 40 divided. It's the law in Gloversville that take anybody twice. Okay? 35, gotta be 40. Yep. 40 bucks 5, one more time. 40 bucks if the lights go up, we're allowed to go. 40 bucks
your
5,
turn.
$40, 40 bucks right over here, the number. I like that. That's a good play. All right here, David. See if you can find a box for him, and you bet. Okay, what in the world do you have here? Tell me about it, Tim.
It's called the Rifle Frolic, based in 1775.
All right here, the big frame, all nicely done, board back, all ready to hang and ready to go in the home right here. Hey, $100 bill, $75, 75, $50 bill, right here. Who gives $25? Wow, $25 nice and framed and ready to go. 10 is bid, 15 to buy, 15 and 20 and 5, and 30 and 30 and 5, 35 and 35 and 35. You won't hurt your ears doing that. Okay. 35, 45, 35, 40, 35, 40. Oh, $35, 34,
41.
34, Mary. Mark it. Put it over on the side. He can't make sure you mark it. Next case.
Lodge.
Holy mackerel, here's one more. Tell you whatever fell on your toes, Jimmy, is the scripture. It is the Lodge. Here's a big one right here. 75, 50. Who gives $25? There's one for the camp right there.
Yep.
25, 30, 25, 30, 30, and 5, 30 bucks, 5, and 40, and 45, 40, and 5, 45, and 50, and 50, and 50, and 50, 45, 55, 45, 50, $45. That's here's the number, 28, 20. All right, a little sewing chest right here. Pull that stick out and show them it's there. All right, right here. The latch is there for the basket. You're buying it all. Right here, 20 bucks, 15. Who gives $10 on a sewing basket? $10 bill, $10 bill, right there, $5. 5. It's got the, show the little stick there, the latch for it. It's inside there somewhere.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, I thought so. Hey, 7.5, 5 is bid, 7.5, 5, 7.5, $5, $7.5, $5 to number 34, 47. Go ahead there, David. All right here now, nice. Now take up the lips on it, looking good. Right here in the middle of the light here, little flames up, and that's where you want to put it. Hey, little lights here, $100 bill, 75, 10, 15, 15 to buy. 10, 15, but it's $10 bill, 15, but it's 15, but it's 15, and 20, and 20, and 20, and 20, 15, 20, but it's $15, 15, 20, 15, 20, but it's $15, but it's 20, $15, straight back to number
34.29.
Okay, next case. Hey, on the kerosene, look at the base on this one, folks. $50 bill right there. 10 is bid. 12.5. 12.5. How about a $10 bill to get 12.5? To get 12.5. To get 12.5. $10 bill to get 12.5. 10 is bid. 12.5.
Yep.
12.5. 15. 15. 15. 12.5. 15 to buy. 12.5. 15. 12.5 to get 15. To get 15. 12.5 to number 118. Oh, that's old number. Hey, J-Night Deluxe, right here. Fire King. All right here, all good and ready. All right there, along here, $50 bill. $50 bill right here, 25, 10, 12.5, 15, 15, 12.5, 15. 12.5, 15. How about 12.5, 15, 15, 15, 12.5. 24.71. Hey, here's something you don't need to use very often right here. Hey, little light here, a beautiful bending right here. $75, 75, $50 right here. We'll give $25. 25. We'll give $10 on it.
Yep.
10, 15, and 20. And 5, 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 $20. You know what's 5, and 30, and 30, and 5, 35, 35, and $30. They're going to get 5, 30 bucks, 17, 36, 7. Hey, look at this leather valise. Take a look at this one, folks.
Yellowstone Park is written on it. It's got the top
Yellowstone National Park.
HW.
It is beautiful leather. All right, show me ends, initials on the other end.
Got the accordion top on it.
Accordion top, you bet. All right, going ready to go. $100 right there, 75, 50. Hey, 75, 50. We get $25. You don't find it. And 30, and 20, and 30, and 5, and 5, and 40, and 40, and 5, 45, and 50. And 50 fit, and 5, and 5, 55, and 60, and 60, and 5, 55, and 70, and 5, 75, and 80, and 80, and 80, and 80, 75, 80, and 5, 75, 80, $75, 80, 75. $75, number 90 on it. 90 on it. Okay, here is a reverse painting lamp. The video somehow jumped right off the top. The video is not there. Alright, right here, let's say any little video will go on. Hey, that nice reverse painting right there. Now, here, 300, 300, right here.